How to get Old Navy coupon. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To get yourself your Old Navy coupon, first and foremost, you need to tap open your browser. In the browser, go ahead and search for Old Navy promo code. In here, you need to head over and tap on any of the website that you prefer. In the designated website, you will find various of coupon and promo code that you can use it for yourself. All you need to do is simply tap on the promo code. To get it for yourself, just tap on the copy button. Or if you wish to redeem it instantly, just tap on redeem at Old Navy. You will find the promo code when you are checking out after a purchase from your Old Navy. You will even find substantial discount because of the promo code or coupon code that you used. To never miss out any of the offer from Old Navy, you can enter email address and tap on Get Alert. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.